here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mirror effect in the front camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap here, go to its settings, and here you can find mirror front camera. And as you can see right now it's like this. And when we mirror it, it's completely the same, or I don't know, I don't really see the difference. Okay, it's only mirrored when you take a photo. But now it's like this, and now let's try to disable it and on. And as you can see, those photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.